The level truth is, the Earth is flat. This is a attitude indicator that are used on planes. As you can see, this is how it would look on a flat Earth. D. Marble's experiment with spirit level proves the plane he was on does not make any adjustments to Earth curvature. The reason for this is because there is no Earth curvature. We do not live on a spinning globe. The reasons for this are many, as I've indicated in some of my other videos. This is taken from Google Earth. A plane traveling at 500 miles an hour over a globe 25,000 miles in circumference would travel 739 feet per second. This calculates to the plane tipping its nose down 1.12 inches per second in order to maintain parallel level flight with the globe. This would be equivalent to taking a 4-foot level and raising one end up 1.12 inches. As you can see, the spirit level on the top is what it would look like on a plane if you lived on a globe. And the bottom level, as you can see, it is straight, does not change. That is a graph This is what it would be with a gyroscope, 100% true. The gyroscope would move with the Earth.
Alright, this instrument is the artificial horizon. The name kind of says it all. There is an adjustment here that you can make to make sure that your wings are level with the horizon before you take off. And then once you're in the air, there are demarcations here for wings level, 5, 10 to 15 degree and 60 degree bank and 90 degree bank. You know, blue is sky and brown is earth, and then there's a pitch coefficient here of you know, 5, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, you know, pitching up or pitching down, and then of course your roll here, you know, or both. So we're in a right bank, pitch down. It actually will go all the way around, although this is not really a aerobatic trainer, but just to demonstrate the instrument. And that is the artificial horizon.
Some globe earther presented this lie here, which is 100% false. It says, flat earthers incorrectly proclaim that airplane pilots would have to continually point the nose of the plane down to travel around the curved Earth. The attitude indicator, also known as gyro horizon or artificial horizon, informs the pilot of the orientation of the aircraft relative to Earth's horizon. Keeping the attitude of the plane level with the AI causes the plane to follow the curvature of the Earth while maintaining the same altitude. So the curve of the Earth is accounted for automatically. This is a complete lie, and there's a reason why it's a complete lie. As you can see here, there's the red line is the false trajectory, the trajectory they say automatically the plane will follow. And the black trajectory is actually how the plane would move with no interference or manual help. And the reason for this is, number one, you can see on here the red line, and you can see how the indicator would be in the brown. According to that. According to the black line, it would be in the blue because this nose would be up continuously. So as you can see, that diagram is a fallacy. This is how it would look on a flat Earth, and this is exactly how it is. And you can see that the onto the right there, the spirit level is completely level. This is why that diagram also is false, is because of thruster engines. These engines are huge. Each 747-400 jet engine produces 60,000 pounds of thrust, enough power to take several hundred passengers and luggage from the Earth to 35,000 feet. Anyone who says that these planes would automatically adjust to curvature are deceiving themselves and are deceiving those whom they are telling this lie to. Planes have to be adjusted. If they didn't make an adjustment, this is what it would look like. As you can see, the line would be in the blue. And if we actually did live on a curved Earth, this is what it would look like as well. You would see the line in the brown. And this is what would have to be adjusted to. You would have to, the level would have to be, the plane would have to be up 1+ inch. Now here we see a plane and how you would have to look down on a ball Earth from the windows of the plane. You would not be at eye level. Many have pointed this out. Here's how it would actually look, and here's how it does look on a flat Earth that we live on. When we look out the window, we see eye level. We don't see what we saw in the previous picture to this. And here's a little information on how to understand the Earth from an airplane. And as you can see, it's at eye level when you look out the window, exactly how the previous picture to this shows that it would be at eye level. And that's what we see, and thus a proof that we live on a flat, stationary Earth.